So over here, you can see that I already have a table. And now let's see how we can insert and delete rows and columns from the table that we have. So to insert another row, what I can do is I can go around and click on the end cell right over here and press tab. So once I do that, you can see that another row has been added in. Also, to navigate around to another cell, I can simply press tab, 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 and what happens is that it goes forward onto the next cell. I can press tab again, and then it goes out onto the next row, as you can see right there. So what else you can do is you can go around and insert more rows and columns by right-clicking on a part right here. Once I right-click, you can see that there are some options right here. So I can insert column onto the left side of the place where I selected. So if I were to click on insert column left, you can see that I inserted a column right there. But if I were to right-click it and click on insert column right, then you can see that the column is inserted onto the right. So if I were to have some data right here, I can go ahead and do the same with the row. So I can insert row above, or I can insert row below right here. What else I can do is I can go around, select this entire row as you can see, and I can right click and delete the row as well. I can right click and delete the row as you can see. I can right click, I can delete the column, and I can right click, delete the column, or delete the entire table as you can see. But I'm just going to undo that out because I still need to work around with the table. So that is how you can insert and delete rows and columns from inside tables in Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.